them brought me all the way here to Curing, just for Curing to be closed.
Open the next door radio.
I'm not gonna fight anybody for anything.
Just be what you want to be. This should be
They took my hairspray.
Yeah.
Headed to the Zhong fabric market, cloth market. I'm gonna go shop around again, see what I can find, because remember I went there the last time, had a great time, but I didn't buy much that time because I was trying to avoid getting things that I don't need. But now I'm like, I'm gonna go shop for some, hopefully some prom fabrics or something. I'm trying to look out the window, and I don't have control to either one of them. So, anyways, I'm going to Guangzhou. I'm going to get some fabrics and materials. Hopefully, this is not a very uncomfortable, unpleasant trip for me. I think it should be fun though. I just got through. So now I need to record on my phone. Hopefully, I'm tripping. I just got through to Guangzhou, so now I'm going to my car. Well, I'm about to call a car and go to the fabric market. Very excited, very excited. We'll get there. When we get there, now my driver done drove. But he was driving through the fabric market. I did not know this was a thing. I see other cars, Keith, so, but not very many. I'm just like, how did he even get in here? So Keith then brought me all the way here to Curing, just for Curing to be closed. I'm just kidding. I came to Curing and they told me 20 minutes ago that they was closed, yet I still came. I didn't even realize they sent the message to me and said they was closed. So it's not Keith's fault, y'all. It's mine, it's mine, it's my fault. But we here now. And now we just wait for my next Didi to come and pick me up and take me back to where I was, to the good place. To the place that's open, because what is this?
Nothing is impossible with you. Wanna jump over the river? Lord, will you guide and protect us? I put my trust in you.
I don't know, I really like how this fabric is doing this little thing. I've never seen that before. I wouldn't get it, but I love fabric manipulation. You know, this one I probably would try.
Lord, will you guide and protect us? I put my trust in you. Nothing is impossible with you. Sitting down with my loved ones, I won't turn a stone in this cold world. I put my trust in you. Nothing is impossible. Hello.
Thank you. Good job. Thank you.
Gotta stay strong when the storm comes and when lows
fabrics I've seen thus far. Very much up my everything. I didn't notice everything was beaded. I thought it was like glitter. I see some glitters, but wow.
Nice.
Very high quality, yes. Oh wow. I've actually walked into so many cool markets and I haven't reported anything. I feel so crazy. Ni hao, ni hao. She's looking at me so crazy. She's like, what do you look like? Why do you look like that? And then we run into, we got buttons and notions and tag makers and label makers and oil. There's like notions, a lot of different notions. No picture? Okay. So I was just recording my video in the man's store. He just did the most. I mean, after I turned the camera off, he like, delete, 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 delete. No record, no record. No, delete. Let me see, let me see. I'm like, what the I'm like literally appalled. But to each their own. To each their own. I'm not gonna fight anybody for anything. Yeah, I really like this fabric. It's 42 per meter for 24 meters, I think. 1.7 kilo or something like that. This is pretty. Oh, these are pretty ones. I like these fabrics. But these are, again, personal fabrics. I need to stop shopping for personal fabrics. No, I don't. It's a personal trip.
可以啊，可以。
深圳。
OK。
OK。
哎。
这个。
啊。
和这个。这个。I really love like tweed fabrics and plaids and so on. These are like my favorites, so beautiful. Wherever you can for a fabric and just leaving like these people supposed to know me and know where I live. Fortunately, I be having a WeChat and stuff, so I can just add them and say, hey, my address is blah blah blah. Just don't forget about me. 你好，你好。 Yeah, I'm ready to go. I would love to go home, but I'm about to go to the hair market. But I'm gonna say, the traffic's so bad right now that even the people on the bikes can't get through. I had come back to this market. It's closed, but I was able to still get what I needed, which was hot comb. I did not get a brush. I did not get a brush. I did not get a brush. As I said, a brush, hot comb, some melting glue or something. I don't know, a couple things, but forgot the brush. Okay, so my feet hurt after all of the day. Makeup looking crazy too, but I am about to go to get some tea from this place that one of my new Chinese friends said that I should go and try. So we're gonna get into that. But let me brush this hair first. That was why I bought this brush. It's so damn yeah. I like this hair because it's not so much, and it also don't shed very much. I feel like I'm still getting rid of some of the hair that's from the wefts, but let's look at the hair. I like it. She's cute. She's cute. I probably should have got a flat iron too, but I got a straight wig, so it don't really matter actually. I don't need a flat iron. Okay, so now I just came to a different location. I decided I wanted to get something to eat before I go back to the train. My feet are fucking killing me. I'm so ready to go, but if I go to the train station, I'm gonna just be sitting there for 3 hours. So I'm like, I might as well get something to eat. I think the restaurant that Thing sent me is in here. So, but I don't know because on the street there was so many places to eat. I think I'm just gonna go over here, find something to eat. It's like so many people that I know the food must be good. I think I want like pig foot and rice if they have. I think I want this. The lighting here is delicious. Ouch. Perfect. Okay, so I decided I'm not gonna get duck again. I'm not getting beef again. I want to get pork, pig feet. hope they have. Because I specifically want pig's foot. Yeah, if they don't have, I'm gonna just have to get up and walk away because I really want pig's foot and rice. Specifically. They have a very extensive menu, I will say that. If they have nothing else, they have a very extensive menu. And everything looks great. However, I specifically want pig foot and rice. That's it. They don't have it. Just went through the whole menu, they don't have it. Okay, so that one is a dub. They don't have what I'm looking for. So we continue our stroll. I really want to pick, you know what? I'll eat when I get home. I'm going to get some juice and I'm about to go straight to the, oh, I'll need to wait there for what, 2.5 hours? That's going to be so annoying.
不要拥挤，不要低头听手机。就女士们、先生们，乘坐地铁时，请站。
Okay, so I'm in the freaking Guangzhou South Railway Station, y'all. I went to the hair store and I bought a bunch of products. Fortunately, they didn't take anything else, but they took my hairspray. I'm like, what the heck? They said I cannot travel with the hairspray. They apologized to me. And I'm like, well, my apologies to y'all because I had no clue I couldn't travel with that. Otherwise, I would not have bought it today. I would have just ordered it online if I had known that. But they said I could ship it to Fringe. So Victoria's gonna work on getting it to her. Hopefully that works out because I want that hairspray. I just paid $15.49. I'm not sure how much of my day I recorded, but I'm now walking to my cart on the train. Tired, feet hurt, exhausted, ready to go inside. I'm sitting in an aisle again. No window for me. I'm not priority.